In this video, we will be studying your change in supply. See, your increase in supply occurs when your quantity supplied increases at all the existing price of a commodity. In this, what happens? Your price is constant. The change in your quantity supplied is due to change in other factors. Right? Your price is constant, your quantity supplied increases or decreases due to the change in the other factor. See, if you are given subsidy by the government, your quantity supplied will increase because your cost will decrease. If you have to pay extra tax, your cost of production will increase, your quantity supplied will decrease. So these are some of the other factors that we have done in your supply function, your determinants, other than the price. Those affect the quantity supply, then it is change in your supply. Let's understand the number one part is your increase in supply. Let's say your price of ice cream is 10, your quantity supplied in units is 20, your price of ice cream remains constant, your quantity supplied becomes 30. So this is due to the other factors. Maybe your cost have reduced, maybe you are giving subsidy, maybe you have improved your technology, or you have, let's say, improved your technology and you have changed your goal of the firm. So now let us plot this on a graph. This is your x, y, right? Here you will be taking your price, here you will be taking your units. So your price is 10, your quantity supplied 10, 20 and 30. At price 10, your quantity supplied earlier was 20, now it has become 30. So these are the 2 points you've gone. So this was your initial supply curve. Now you've got this supply curve S1, S1. There is a rightward shift in your supply curve. So your quantity supplied have increased from 20 to 30, right? And your price is constant. There is rightward shift in your supply curve. So this is increase in your supply. There can be various causes of increase in supply. Number one, it can be your technology improvement, right? Number second, it can be reduction in the price of factors of production, in the price of factor of production. Number third is decrease in price of a competing goods, means your substitutes. Then fourth can be the reason increase in the number of firms. Number of firms have increased. Number 5 is your expected fall in the price in future. Right? Shift in the goal of the firm from profit maximization to sales maximization. Shift of goal to sales maximization. So these are the causes of increase in supply. Next we'll do is decrease in supply. In decrease in supply, your price is constant, due to other factors your quantity supply changes. that is it gets reduced. Decrease means reduction of quantity supply. So what will happen? Your quantities, your supply curve will shift backwards to the left. Let's see, the price of ice cream 10, your quantity supply was 30, 10, your quantity supply has become 10, right? Let us plot this on a graph. Price, your quantity supply, price is 10 constant, 10, 20, 30. Your quantity supplied was, first it was 30 and now it is 10. So your initial supply curve was this, your new supply curve is S1, S1. So there is backward shift in your supply curve. Your quantity demanded has reduced from 30 to 10. So this is your decrease in supply. So there are various causes that your decrease in supply curve is affected. So let's see the causes of decrease in supply. Why your quantity supply decreases? Number one, it can be outdated technology. Increase in price of factor of production, right? Third, increase in price of competing goods. Right. Fourth, decrease in number of firms. Fifth, your expected rise in price of commodity in future. Sixth, shift of goal of firm to profit maximization. See, when you will be having an outdated technology, your cost of production will rise, so your supply decreases. Increase in the price of factors of production. If your price of factors of production increases, that means the price of land, labor, capital, entrepreneur increases. So your cost of production will increase, thus affecting the supply. Increase in price of competing goods. Let's say your price of tea is increased. You have a product of coffee. You will be, you want to supply less of the coffee at the lower prices. Why will you supply more coffee at the lower prices? So you will wait till the price of the coffee reach till tea or above that. So you will hold on the stock with you. So it will reduce the supply, decrease in the number of firms, expected rise in the price of commodity in future. That if you are expecting that the commodity which you are supplying, the price will rise in the future due to XYZ reason, due to the the government will give you subsidy on this or XYZ, your price will rise in the future. So why will supply in present? You won't supply in present, you will wait for the future, as your cost will be same, so you'll earn more profit if you supply in the future. So this is your decrease in the supply. Shift of goal to the profit maximization. Now you're shifting your goal to the profit maximization from the sales maximization. So profit maximization is that you will sell on the higher prices. If you will be selling on the higher prices, then only you're getting more profit. So your shift of goal to the profit maximization. I hope you like our video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.